All right, I wish I would have done this earlier. This is my new channel, and this is my very first video. So a lot of you guys don't even know who I am, and I don't even know who you guys are, but let me introduce myself. So my name is Anthony Gutierrez, and I'm gonna be going as Toñín or Toñito, however it is. I don't even know what I'm gonna name this channel. I'm making this video before I even create the channel that I'm making it for. So I'm starting a new channel. And why, you may ask, or maybe you're on the same boat, maybe because you want to start a new channel, or maybe you've never done a new channel, or maybe you're in the fence of starting a new channel because your old channel wasn't really a success, so you want to start a new channel. And that's basically what I'm doing. And I just want to share with you guys my experiences and all the things that I wish I would have done, and why I wish I would have done this sooner, because, you know, honestly, the first channel that I've ever done, it's not doing so well. If I'm being honest, it's pretty much dead. It's a dead channel. And I say dead because, you know, there's no way to revive it. There's no way to come out of that dark pit where it's like, I get no views. Yes, that channel, I'm not going to say it, but maybe you guys could find it if you guys want to. It has 15,000 subscribers. Now, I've worked on that channel for a course of 5 years. And I feel like the reason why I failed, it's because, you know, when I started off, it was primarily a long form content style channel. So I was doing reaction videos. I was doing skits with my families. I was doing a lot of challenges as well. And then once shorts started to come out, I primarily focused on shorts. So my channel just started to become this shorts channel where I didn't really have a niche either. I was doing reaction shorts. I was doing video game shorts. I was doing just skits. I was all over the place. Now, in my opinion, I feel like that was the worst thing I could have done, because YouTube pretty much said, well, what the heck is your niche? Like, what are you going to do? Like, I don't even know where to push out this content. And then right now, just recently this beginning year, 2025, I started to post long form content once again. And I feel like that just messed up my YouTube algorithm even more, because now I stopped posting shorts and I went back to long form content, and all the subscribers that I gained from doing shorts now are watching my long form. Well, I shouldn't even say they're watching, but they're not watching my long form content. So now I'm just stuck with 15,000 subscribers that I've gained with the wrong strategy. And now me trying to rebrand, trying to find a theme for my channel, a niche. YouTube, I feel like, in my opinion, doesn't even know where to promote my channel anymore. So you know what? I said, screw it. I'm just going to start all over and make videos of me talking so that you guys could see my progress, my evolution as a YouTuber in this new channel. And I just want to be able to document everything that I'm doing, maybe giving you guys some insights, some tips. So if you're on the fence of starting a new YouTube channel, I would really recommend you guys starting a new YouTube channel. Keep in mind, you know, you don't want to just throw away a very successful channel and putting your focus to a second channel, right? All of this has to be very strategic. I'm not just saying to go with no plan. No, I would definitely say have a plan. And that's exactly what I'm going to be doing with this new YouTube channel. Now, what I've been saying in my first main channel is that I want to be very, very transparent and very, very honest with you guys. I am not here to make you guys believe something that I'm not. I'm not here to make you guys think I'm this very perfect individual, because I am far from perfect. If anything, I want to say I'm the one that has the most mistakes, you know, but obviously we grow and we learn from our mistakes, and we just try to improve every single day. Even if it's by small increments, we try to improve every single day. So that's one thing I wish I would have done sooner, because up to right now, this is the very first day ever since I started my main channel. In the course of 5.5 years, I want to say, that I decided to just completely just abandon it, because there's no point. You know, I kept posting videos on there, but it was like, man, I would rarely get any views. So what do I do now? I went back to my older videos and I started to private a lot of them, because a lot of them were like different videos where I feel like they were garnered towards a different audience. But if that audience, like for example, there's a lot of videos that I did on my main channel where I was reviewing, for example, let's just say the Sambas, right? Even though it wasn't the Sambas that I reviewed a type of shoe, and those videos started to blow up. They started to get over hundreds of thousands of views, and then I would get subscribers, and then now they would come to my channel. They would see that I will be posting other types of videos, because I wouldn't really consider myself a shoe reviewer, but I would be posting different types of videos, like my trip to Utah that I just did 2 weeks ago, or, you know, something else that I did. And the people that subscribed for those shoe videos are now seeing me do vlogs, which kind of messes up their brains, right? You know, if you subscribe to a cooking channel, you wouldn't really appreciate it if that cooking channel started doing yoga tutorials, right? It doesn't make no sense. So my YouTube channel was just everywhere. I was literally doing every single niche under the sun. And I was like, you know what? Screw it. I'm starting a new channel as of today, June 10, 2025. Now, my main channel, well, I want to make this my main channel. What I should say is my first channel that I did where I started to take YouTube seriously, that one has 15,000 subscribers, and it does suck because I feel like I've gained so many subscribers, and I feel bad because I don't want to abandon it, but at the same time I feel like that is the best strategy to do, because if failed, it's not doing well, and I would rather invest in a separate channel where I could really just focus on a niche, stick to it, build a community, and just go from there. Because I feel like, if anything, if I start a second channel with all the knowledge that I've gained prior to this one, I will be very successful. I'm just going to say it. I feel like this second channel is going to be very successful, because I'm going to make it towards basically like YouTube experiences and, you know, my journeys, my experiences, all the things that I'm going through. And, you know, if you guys want to be part of this journey, I would really recommend you guys subscribing. You know, I'm going to give a shout out to the first subscriber. I don't care who you are, where you are. I'm going to give you a shout out. Just because you are my first subscriber, I'm going to give you a shout out. So, you know, I don't want to really make these so long. I want to make these bingeable and watchable. So they're not going to be like 30-minute long videos or anything. I want to make them maybe 8 to 10-minute videos, just enough for you guys to feel like you guys saw a very good episode of like your favorite anime or something, or your favorite TV show, even though some TV shows are like half an hour long or maybe even an hour long. But you guys get the point. I want these videos to be very accessible to a lot of people, and I just want to help out the people and everything. So hopefully this is a good introduction video. I don't even know how it's going to go, but, you know, best of luck to me. And, you know, God willing, this video and this channel is going to blow up. So see you guys.